Hi there, so here is the Noise ColorFit Pro 2, long name. So this is a newly launched fitness tracker, smartwatch, whatever you like to call it. It's priced around $2,999. The reason this is getting so much attention is the design looks very similar to an Apple Watch. I got two of these. One is a gray, one is a green. I've actually already unboxed the green one. I'm already wearing it. It's been 1 or 2 days. So I can share my experience with you. So let's quickly unbox the gray one, the other one, and see if it's worth your buck or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Noise ColorFit Pro 2. This is a gray and silver variant. On the back of the box, you can see that the display is a 1.3-inch IPS touchscreen, 210 mAh battery, 10-day battery usage, polycarbonate body, supports Android 4.4 and iOS 9 and above, Bluetooth 5 and 35 grams. Basic MRP and manufacturing details. At the bottom of the device, you can see the companion app is the Noise Fit Sport app that you need, which is available on iOS and Android. You can scan the QR code to download that app as well. So let's quickly unbox it. Here are the straps, here's the watch, here's some paperwork and an instruction manual, and here is a proprietary charging cable. So first thing we're going to do is to connect the straps to the watch, and if you can see that there is a hinge mechanism here which you need to hold back to put the hooks inside the watch. And there you go. And which means that you can even replace these with any other third-party bands. So let's quickly put the other one. There you go, ready to go. So the first thing that we see in the front is the square dial, and it says this is a function button here. Put this on charge to activate before for the first time use. So the back, you can see you have the Noise branding here, and it's a gray color design. This is the heart rate sensor, and this is the charging terminals, and these charging terminals will connect with this proprietary charging, and they're magnetic. You can see they're magnetic and they instantaneously connect. So overall the build quality is quite impressive. Built wise, I would say it's really good. It gives a real illusion of an Apple Watch, no doubt about that. So let's turn it on and see, and let's remove this first. Alright, so here's the charging, and there you see at the moment you connect it, there is a vibration alert and it's showing the battery percentage. Alright, oh very good, it's already booted, but you can see that the time and date is not synced because it's not yet paired with the phone. And this is a 240 by 240 pixel IPS display, and it's a fingerprint magnet. If you can see, the display is, oh man, this is so laggy. This is so laggy. Anyway, let's have a look at the interface. So on the top are messages when you receive messages alerts, the steps, distance, calories burnt, and total week. Okay, so let's go back, and here you can see that it is sports mode. So inside the sports mode you have run, you have walk, you have bike, hike, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga. The display is not very responsive actually. Sometimes I feel it's missing out the touches. It's not very responsive. Okay, so like now I didn't actually turn on the activity and it's still turning it on its own, and it's not very responsive. It's okay. So then you have heart rate. Let's wear it and see if it measures the heart rate. There you go. Right now it's 64 beats, 65 beats. So heart rate sensor works fine. Then you have a breathe app, tells you to relax. You press this button to go back. So that's one good thing about this button, it goes back. Alarms, and there are no alarms set. Probably you can set the alarms only from the app. Further down below, music, it will control the music when it's paired with your phone. Then it's stopwatch, then it's sports records. Right now of course there are no records, and settings. In settings you have dial, which is actually watch faces, and this is a very popular one actually, and this looks quite okay. The display is not very bright, in fact, also. Not too happy with the display actually. So they have more watch faces, an analog watch face. These are all very inspired from Apple, you can see. But they don't look that great, frankly. There you go. Anyway, I might be a little harsh on it, but I'm not very impressed. Okay, if you go towards the left, you have an option for automatic heart rate, which you can turn on or turn off. Lift wrist to on screen to wake up display. So this is the raise to wake screen. You can choose to keep it on or off. This is the do not disturb mode. And this is the GPS, which will be used from the phone. And that's about it actually. Let's wear it and see. So without a doubt, it's very comfortable. Whoa, the raise to wake really takes a while. That's really slow, really slow. That's a good 3 seconds. Okay, so it looks beautiful. Let me tell you that I'm really liking the strap, the way it's built, the silver buckle looks really nice. It looks like an Apple Watch, and there you see, you saw it again. It takes a very long time to wake up. Let's have a look at the app meanwhile. So moving on to the app, you have to download the Noise Fit Sport app, and the first thing that you have to do when you do this app is it takes your personal details as your weight, your male, female, your height, all those basic details, and it pairs with the Bluetooth. So this is a watch which I've been wearing from the last 2 days. So that is currently paired with this. So I'll just give you a glance of the app. So the first thing on the top is the steps taken and the target that was it. So I walked around 2,500 steps. Target is 10,000 steps. It tells you the calories burned, the distance walked, the sleep pattern. So I slept for around 6 hours, 48 minutes. Start time, finish time, all that things. Heart rate, it was 62. I don't know why it's gone. So 61, 62, 82. It gives you basically all your activity details, your heart details. It also gives you this graph kind of format of how you were doing your activities. And basically then going to devices, it will show you call alerts. You can turn it on or off. It has sedentary alerts, alarms. You can change and set the alarms from here. You can set as many alarms you like to. And moving back, the SNS alert. So this is basically for your app notifications. So you can first click allow notifications, then you can choose the apps from which you want notifications. It's as simple as it is. It's basically okay. The app is just okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. I would prefer the Amazfit or the MiFit app more to this. They are a little more detailed and a little more easier to read comparatively. You get phone notifications on them. We'll just check that out in a moment. The watch also receives call alerts. As you can see, that's my daughter's number. So if you press this button, it'll reject the call. If you press this button, it'll just silent the call. It won't reject it. So if you press this, it actually rejects the call, which is great. It also receives notifications, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, depending. Here they are. You can actually even go through them. There you go. So, and you can delete them as well. So it's great that way, but somehow the interface is very laggy. It's not the best. That is actually what is something that I've not been too happy about. It's laggy at times. It takes its time, it works, nothing that it doesn't work, but it still takes its really own sweet time, and that is really disappointing. Frankly, I'm not very impressed. Let's start with what I didn't like, the display. Though it's a color LCD with a decent pixel density, it looks really inferior when compared to even a Mi Band 4. The interface is very unresponsive. At times it doesn't even register a tap. No always on display mode, no additional watch faces. You have to stick with the 5 that come along with it, and that really sucks. And the biggest deal breaker is the race to wake being extremely slow. So slow that I could ask someone else the time before it turns on. Crazy slow. Trust me, whatever is good about this device you can get in some other smart band today. I rather recommend you to buy the Mi Band 4 or the Honor Band 5 or even the Amazfit Bip. The only saving grace for this device is its resemblance to the Apple Watch. That's it. Apart from that, it's a piece of crap. Not recommended. However, if you like to still buy one or you would like to check it out, I'll leave the links in the description. Go ahead. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if there are any feedbacks, any questions, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.